guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be creating this makeup look, doing a makeup challenge using the letters of my name. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So we are going to be doing a makeup challenge, but we're going to be using the letters of our name to determine what products we're going to be using. So I didn't want to go to the store and buy anything because I feel like that's just not as fun. Like obviously I can go buy these things, but I tried to utilize things that I already have, and I really tried to tweak this as much as I can. So for this challenge, not only will I be using brands that fall in the letters of my names, but I'll also be using product names that fall into the letters of my name. So I have a name with a lot of L's, and I did not want to just stick to like Laura Mercier and Lancome. I really wanted to use like a little bit of everything. So at the bottom of the screen is my name, Latrell, and it also has Trell underneath because I didn't have enough, you know, letters in my name to do a full face, so I decided to add Trell on there because I typically go by iloveyoutrell, but Latrell is my first name. So for the first L, we're going to be using our Liquid Silk Canvas Primer, and this is by Tatcha, and I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. So I did do my brows off camera, and if you guys want, I will link my brow tutorial down in the description box. I literally do the same thing, nothing changes, but the products maybe, so definitely refer to that if you guys want to see how I do my brows. So the next letter in my name is A, so we're going to be using our Ace Butte Scarlet Dust Palette. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take Sunset Rose and I'm gonna apply this all over my lid. So next I'm gonna take the color Shade and I'm going to place this in my crease to go ahead and establish my eye look. Next I'm gonna take the color Bahamas and I'm gonna mix a little bit of sangria with that, and I'm gonna go ahead and layer this right on top of Shade. And then back with that fluffy brush that we laid down Shade, I'm gonna go ahead and just blend out those edges and taper those into each other. If Shade kind of starts to fade out for you, just go back in and just add it to the ends to soften it up. So now I'm gonna take the shade Nocturnal and I'm gonna go ahead and place this all on my lower lid. And just blend all of that together. And that way everything is just seamless. And now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna follow the same colors that we used before to go ahead and smoke out our lower lash line. So we're gonna move into the T of my name and we're gonna be using our Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. So for the R in my name, I'm going to be using my Rare Beauty foundation, and this one is in the shade 430W. I'm going to just add some stripes along my face. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just blend this in with a brush first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use my beauty blender. So for E, we're gonna be using our e.l.f. Camel Concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut. Okay, so I'm gonna use this brush to go ahead and blend this in first, and then we're gonna go over with our beauty blender. For the next L, we're going to be using our Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. This is a favorite. And I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to just dip this in here very lightly because last time it gave me too much. And I'm going to just set underneath my eyes, everywhere I put the concealer. So for the final L in Latrell, we're going to be using our Laura Mercier Peach Blush on the apples of my cheeks. So to start the T in Trell, we're going to go ahead and we're going to use Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty. I can't stress how lightly we need to apply this highlight. This is just, it's very pigmented. So for the next R in our name, we're going to be using this Rosewood Lip Liner by Bodyography. So for E, we're going to use our East Coast Slay Crushed Liquid Lip by Bobbi Boss. So I kind of knew I wasn't gonna like this lip combo together by itself. So for L, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Lingerie Lip Color by NYX in the shade Ruffled Trim. I'm actually gonna pop some more East Coast Slay like right on the middle. So for the last L in our name, we're gonna go ahead and use our L'Oreal Dewy Mist to set our face. Alrighty guys, and here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's makeup challenge with me. Let me know what you guys think about this challenge down in the comment section below. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and try this out. Everybody's name is different, so that means there's endless possibilities on what products or what items that you would use when you're doing this challenge. So if you do decide to do this challenge, please let me know because I would love to see how your name determines your makeup look. But if you guys aren't, make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I will link all of those down below so that way you can easily click and follow. And make sure sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not. I do post every Tuesday and Fridays, but if you can't remember that, just go ahead and make sure to turn on your notification bells. That way you get notified every time I do upload a video. I thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.